Scandinavian Airlines has announced the largest investment in the history of the company by shaking hands on a deal for as many as 40 Airbus A330 family aircraft. The deal features both brand new A330-900s and leased older A330-300s. With what appears to be growing momentum for the A330neo program, let's take a look at what this major order is all about. In terms of list prices, the aircraft involved have a combined value of more than $10 billion. Of course, it's unlikely that SAS will pay anywhere near this total, given that airlines almost always receive a hefty discount. Even so, the multi-billion-dollar deal is a clear sign that SAS is serious about fleet growth and modernization. At a press conference in Copenhagen attended by Simple Flying, SAS confirmed that it had committed to adding up to 40 wide-bodies to its fleet. The deal, quote, combines new Airbus A330-900 aircraft with additional Airbus A330-300 aircraft secured to support near-term growth ahead of the arrival of the new fleet. The A330-900 represents the bulk of the deal, with 18 firm orders and options for 10 more, while 12 A330-300s make up the remainder. Having placed an order last year for the Embraer E195-E2 regional jet and invested in renewing its Airbus A320neo fleet for short-haul ops, this latest commitment signifies SAS's long-haul growth intentions. SAS is already very familiar with the A330 family, as the carrier has 8-300s in the fleet with an average age of about 15 years. The A330-900 is set to represent a notable step forward in terms of both range and capacity. Specifically, the Nordic carrier highlights that it plans to configure its A330neos, which will arrive in the 2030s, with around 290 seats. SAS confirmed at the press conference that it would be partnering with lessors Avolon and Bank of China Aviation to source the used A330-300s. And so this latest news shows that A330neo sales, while starting off a little sluggish, continue to pick up pace. Indeed, in recent years, the aircraft type has gathered orders from major carriers like Cathay Pacific and Etihad, while Delta increased its A330neo commitment by 16 earlier this year. Malaysia Airlines doubled its commitment to the type in 2025, ordering an additional 20 airframes. Despite this exciting A330neo news, it's a continued snubbing of the shorter A330-800, which was designed to replace the -200. Clearly, the economics of this shorter variant aren't appealing enough for airlines, which would rather opt for more capacity provided by the -900. But what do you think of SAS joining the list of A330neo operators? Let us know by leaving a comment. And be sure to check out Simple Flying's flight tracker. From live alerts and data on commercial, military and government flights, it goes way beyond your standard tracker. It was built specifically for AvGeeks, free and live, right at your fingertips. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.